Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing unboxing of Sleepyhead Dual Flip mattress from Flipkart. If you are planning to buy a mattress during this festive season, then this video can be for you. Do watch it till the end because I will give my final opinion on this mattress. But before that, if you are first time to this channel, then subscribe to us so that you keep on getting such useful video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Today we are going to talk about this mattress from Sleepyhead, which gives you dual comfort while sleeping or sitting. This mattress is available on Flipkart. The mattress comes in a vacuum packaging in a compressed form inside a cartoon box. Simply remove the mattress from the box and cut the plastic using the blade given in the box. In no time it will inflate and take its proper shape on the bed. This mattress has dual comfort sides. If you are looking for a soft side, then Sleepyhead Flip mattress comes with soft support foam that provides soft feel when you are sleeping on the mattress. If you are looking for firm side to sleep on, then just flip it other side, as it comes with high density support foam on the firm side, which provides you a firmer surface to sleep on. This mattress comes with non-removable outer cover, which is made from fabric cloth that provides good ventilation while sleeping on it. I will recommend you to buy a mattress cover to protect it from dirt and liquid spillage. This mattress is available on Flipkart in various sizes from single, double, queen and king sizes. You can choose from different thickness like 5 or 6 inches. If you are looking for high density support mattress, then this is perfect choice for you. This is highly durable mattress and Flipkart delivers to your doorstep without any hassle. The mattress is priced below 10,000 and fits your budget compared to the expensive mattress available in offline market. The company is offering 5-year warranty on these mattress. If you found this video helpful in any way, then do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in my next video.